Today I'm going to try to use this hoist to get this boat trailer off this driveway and up this grass hill where it will be out of sight and out of the way. I'm using a hoist and not a winch, primarily because it's much easier to find a hoist that works on AC power. I took out the original wire rope that came with this hoist. It was thick, but it wasn't long enough. I don't really need it to be that thick, so I wound up replacing it with something thinner. This is a 100-foot spool. It's only 1/8, but that's all I need for pulling a trailer up the hill. I'm not going to be doing overhead stuff, so nothing's going to be dropping on me. This hoist is rated for 550 pounds on a straight pull without an extra pulley, which should be plenty, I think, to pull a 600-foot trailer up an 11-degree slope. And what I'm planning to do is mount this in its natural position, pointing down, and then I'm going to use this pulley to turn the rope and pull through the wall of my shed. We'll see if this works. Okay, so this is the pulley. The cable goes around right through the hole to the outside. I put it on a block so that it aligns with about the middle of the spool.
Putting it on the ATV. The first testing of the new hoist. See, this is the little controller. Isn't that cool? And I can control right from here. Uh-oh, running into trouble. ATV's a little off course. Pretty cool. No way.
The moment of truth. Am I going to be able to park the boat at the top of this grass hill?
Wow, you just make it. Preparing the boat for its first journey. Going down.
So now second attempt to pull the boat up. I did not detach the hitch and instead the wall detached. Apparently it doesn't take very much to detach the wall. Right, so I've reinforced this beam that came off, this guy. The actual pulley is going to be mounted on this cross brace, kind of like that. And this cross brace is attached to 3 studs. If it's going to pull the wall off, it's going to pull the whole thing. And this is it, all braced.